guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to a brand new video. I feel like a kid today. I'm excited, you know. For today's video, we're gonna go see the man, the myth, the legend, Shakespeare. We are actually going to be heading over to Stratford upon Avon, where Shakespeare was born, I believe. And yeah, you know the poet who wrote, you know, Romeo and Juliet, I think, at least. Without further ado, let's get on the road, because it's going to take us 36 minutes to get here. And with my driving, it's going to take us about an hour. Oh, flipping neck. Go, boy. Indicate then, you wank stain. So I'm on my way to go to, obviously, Stratford because it's Valentine's Day on Friday and it's Wednesday today, I believe. So in 2 days it's Valentine's Day, and obviously, you know, I need to get my girlfriend some stuff. I do believe Valentine's Day is like a business corporation's like way of making money and like destroying people's bank accounts, but that's not going to stop me spending money on my girlfriend, you know. Baby, this is a Montclair sweater, diesel denim. Whee! Look at this fucking hair. Oh my god.
Send security, and when I keep up my repayments, they get it back.
I don't
with
care.
interest. And now we can do whatever we want.
I don't.
Dave? We don't have to tiptoe up the stairs.
I don't care.
Don't look at me like that, money.
Don't speak to me like that, bitch. There's been like a storm in the UK right now, so obviously my guy has cut up all the trees, probably, and he's just taking them somewhere. Because there's trees in the road, you know what I mean? There was a little bush in the tree. I want to make it sound like it's a tree, but it wasn't, it was probably a bush. I dodged it, here you go. God, everyone looks so grumpy. No, grumpy? Yeah, and you're grumpy, fuck you are. The woman in bloody Tesco, right? You know the self-service machines? Like, the first one didn't work. So, like, I moved to the, like, fourth one or something. And she was like, what's wrong with that one? Bloody bitch! I'm not your bloody child. You do not talk to me like that. I did, however, just say, oh, I just wasn't starting. You dickhead. You duckhead. Look at these roads. They're wow nice. I'm actually going to go on the motorway on the way back so I don't have to climb this hill. I literally plan my journeys around hills, you know what I mean? Yeah, you were Romeo, you were throwing pebbles at my... There you go, boys. Me and my girlfriend, right, the other day, like last week or something, I don't know when it was, we're eating. I was having some nice bloody fish and chips and Wetherspoons, you know what I mean? Nice mushy peas. You got to have the mushy peas. Makes your fart smell, but you know. I was having that. We were finished eating and we were just sitting down chilling. This fucking old guy just comes up to our table, literally right next to us, like, and just stands at the end of it and just stares at us. This guy must have had some sort of problems, not having a go at people with problems, but was very strange and very creepy that this old man, just massive guy by the way, just stood at the end of our table just looking at us. I didn't tell him to fuck off or anything. I said hi to him, and then just before we left, because we just moved tables, I was like, nah. I just said to him, can we help you? And he just stared at us. Oi, another absolute tune.
No one helped, but they put my mummy on minimum wage, so I hit the trap in the stage.
Of course I ain't. Boy. Why are you coming fast for? Why are you coming fast?
You have arrived.
Thanks, baby. This is how to get confused with Michael. What the fuck was he doing? What the fuck? Why did he not go over there where it says fucking exit? Right, if you want a tip for if you want to dodge speed bumps, mate. Look at that. Dodged them. And if you want to dodge these ones, look at that. Somebody said on Instagram, get some exhaust shots, so that's what I'm going to do. now here, and obviously, as you guys can see, we're in the car park. Pretty dead, to be honest. It was actually quite a nice drive here. Like, no, this is normally packed. Right, let's go. 3 hours. Bang. Oh my god, I'm freezing my bloody tits off here. Come on. Oh, payment approved, finally. Got the ticket, boys. So what we're going to do is we're going to head back to the car. Obviously put this on the bad boy over there. And then, my car looks quite big right now, you know? Like, it's quite long. No, just only me. Right. Check both doors lock. Nice. Now let's go. First stop we went to is Lush. Got a heart locket. Mate, it's actually sick how this bloody thing worked. Here we have a wild ducky, you know what I mean? Coming to find his mate, which is me. Hello there, Budster. Hello. Oh god. A bit too close for my liking, bruv.
Do you want some? I'll give it you.
So the second stop I went to is the Neon Sheep because it had this bloody pink ass sheep outside. Who the fuck wouldn't want to go in this shop? Just a few centimeters down the road is Shakespeare's Birthplace, I believe at least. And I got a selfie in front of it. And also on the outskirts of town is actually where I took my theory test. So if you are around Stratford, this is probably where you're gonna go. But oh my god. Oh my god, is that a Lamborghini Aventador? Oh my god, even better. It's a fucking Vauxhall Corsa.
Tasty. Look at that, peachy bomb.
So, pretty much done in Stratford for today. Right now, heading back to the car. Yeah. That was honestly a very successful day out here in town. Honestly, really. So, I'm actually going to be taking the bus. You know? I'm taking a bus. I'm going to be taking the motorway home. I love the motorway. It's just so much more simpler and easy. Honestly, I did just feel like a bloody tourist in there. Like, I'm almost 20 years old, but I just am a kid. And I'm not going to lie about not being a kid because I fucking am. I'll show you guys quickly what I've got for my girlfriend for Valentine's Day. Didn't go too all out, you know what I mean? We got a sleep top, you know what I mean? Bloody sleep top. And it says, nice woman. It's got a B on. And I also got a Lush bath bomb, which is fucking sick. It's a love heart, but inside the love heart, it's got tiny little love hearts. So yeah, that is basically all I got. I mean, I've got a card, and I'm gonna get like sweets and chocolate. I'll order that online. But let's put the GoPro on the outside of the car, just for this little car park bit, and then we'll drive home. So we are now on like the main bridge. Look at this. Jeez, it's quite tight to be honest, but all fucking well. We're racing this guy next to us. Oh, I beat him. This van's getting up my bumhole. Bruv, I can feel you tickling my bumhole from back there. Like, I rate my trips, you know what I mean? Every trip I go on, I go, you know, I really like this trip. I really do like that trip to Stratford, you know what I mean? Sometimes it is quite nice just to get out on your own. You know, all I was doing was walking around, you know, going to shops. I met this guy in Lush, and he was like, actually like Lush to me. Normally Lush people are a bit too forward, you know what I mean? They're getting in your face, they're like, I'm just gonna basically follow you around the store until you buy something, basically. This guy, he was just more like, just call me over if you want. And then obviously I said, I don't know what she'd like. Picked up this one, which was obviously the most expensive one. I bought it. It looks sick. It's got little like multicolored like hearts in. Oh, this is like a dual carriageway. This is. Oh my god, he's rapid. Let's go. Oh my, look at this roundabout. This is madness, this is. Right, let's just go for it. So, 1. The upcoming roundabout is split into like 4 lanes. So what I have to do is I have to get into the far right one and then follow my lane and hope for the best, basically. I'll turn now. 3, 2, 1, bang. Come on, bro, I got places to be. I got food to eat. Oh shit. So you have to follow the lines. It's quite easy, to be honest, but follow the lines, and then this is the dashed line, so you don't really have to go in there. Follow. I always forget to like count my exits, because normally it says 4th exit, you know? Quite honestly, if I can do this, you guys can do it too. Watch out, brother. Nice. Right, we're on. Now it's time to party with the music. Grab it. Cabbage. I stop and stare at you, walking on the shore. I think I love the motorway because it's just straight. And if there is like not straight roads, it's only a tiny bend. I hate country roads because when you're on a country road, there's lots of bends where you can skid. You know, if you go around a bend too quick, you're literally dead. You know what I mean? Oh my God, can this sun like, I'm gonna be like brown on this side and then like yellow on this side. Bad Felicia. This is like, honestly, I rarely get into like the middle or right hand lane. So like just being in the, bye Felicia, see you later, bitch. Like I honestly hate having my family in my car, you know what I mean? My mum, she was a backseat driver, but she's kind of chilled out now. My brother is a fucking backseat bloody fucking driver. Jesus Christ. Jeez, he told me when to go at bloody roundabouts. Told me fucking like, jeez, I don't even want to go into it because it pisses me off. Thank you, it sensed me coming. Hello, is anyone around the corner? No. Thank you. Oh yeah, I remember this. Basically, the OGs will know this, but my aux makes my car sound like a turbo. Ready? Wait, ready? Changing gear. It's an actual turbo. Right, ready? Downshift. See? Sounds like a turbo. My face is burning right now. Look at that car. Whoop. Look at that. That's banging. That reminds me of that car from Cars. What was that? This guy literally just flashed me and literally went. I respect that though. Respect, you know, happy people. You know, when people just so grumpy. You know what I fucking hate? When people are so bloody grumpy. No offence to these people. There are like girls in school, when I was in school, and they just walked around moody as fuck. I'm like, fucking hell, what do you have to be upset about? You're bloody like, I have been 16 before, so I know I'm allowed to talk about 16-year-olds. But I'm like, what do you have to be upset about? You're bloody 16, what have you got? Braces? I park, honestly, as far right as I can park on the drive. I swear my brother just literally parks as close as he can to me. As you guys can see, we are now home. I'm dying for a piss. Really hope you guys did enjoy this video. It did literally take up all my day. Anyway guys, hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. Probably a really long one. Tell me if you guys enjoyed it anyway. If you guys did enjoy, please hit the subscribe button. We're almost on 30,000 subscribers, which means the world to me. Follow me on Instagram at @_OtherStuff for behind the scenes, stories, etc. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this video, and I will see your faces in my next video. What? If you have got to the end of this video, comment 36.8mm and I'll subscribe to the first 3 people who do that. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see your faces in my next video. What?